Appian RPA Online Training. Introduction to Appian RPA. Appian RPA, Robotic Process Automation, is a feature within the Appian low-code automation platform that allows organizations to automate repetitive and manual tasks by creating and deploying software robots, bots. These bots can interact with various applications and systems to perform tasks that would typically require human intervention. Key features of Appian RPA. Integration with Appian platform. Appian RPA is fully integrated into the broader Appian platform, enabling seamless automation alongside other Appian capabilities such as business process management, BPM, case management, and AI-powered decisions. Low-code development. Appian RPA offers a low-code environment for building bots. Users can design bots using drag-and-drop interfaces, making it accessible to users with minimal coding experience. Cross-application automation. Appian RPA bots can interact with multiple applications, both legacy and modern, across various platforms. This includes web applications, desktop applications, databases, and more. Scalability. The platform supports the deployment of bots at scale, allowing organizations to automate a large number of processes simultaneously. Bots can be scheduled, monitored, and managed from a central console. Orchestration and monitoring. Appian RPA provides tools for managing and orchestrating bot activities. Users can monitor bot performance, handle exceptions, and ensure that bots are working efficiently. AI and machine learning integration. Appian RPA can be combined with AI and machine learning capabilities within the Appian platform, enabling more intelligent automation. Bots can learn from data and make decisions based on predefined rules or AI models. Security and compliance. Appian RPA includes security features such as role-based access control, encryption, and audit trails to ensure that bot activities are secure and compliant with regulatory requirements. Use cases for Appian RPA. Data entry and extraction. Automating the process of extracting data from documents or systems and entering it into other applications or databases. Customer service. Automating repetitive customer service tasks, such as processing refunds, updating customer records, or handling routine inquiries. Financial operations. Streamlining processes such as invoice processing, accounts payable receivable, and financial reporting. Human resources. Automating tasks like employee onboarding, payroll processing, and benefits administration. IT operations. Automating routine IT tasks such as user account management, system monitoring, and software installations. Key features of Appian RPA. Appian RPA, Robotic Process Automation, is a component of the Appian low-code automation platform that enables organizations to automate repetitive and manual tasks using software robots. Here are some of the key features of Appian RPA. 1. Low-code automation integration. Unified platform. Appian RPA is integrated within the broader Appian platform, allowing users to combine RPA with process automation, case management, and AI in a single low-code environment. Drag-and-drop interface. Users can design and deploy bots using a visual, drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible even to non-technical users. 2. Scalability. Elastic scaling. Appian RPA can scale dynamically to meet changing demands, allowing businesses to add more bots as needed without significant infrastructure changes. Cloud-native architecture. The platform is cloud-native, which supports scalability and high availability across different environments. 3. Centralized management. Bot orchestration. Users can centrally manage and orchestrate multiple bots from a single interface, allowing for streamlined control and monitoring of bot activities. Dashboard and analytics. Appian RPA provides comprehensive dashboards and reporting tools to monitor bot performance, manage workloads, and track ROI. 4. Security and compliance. Role-based access control. RBAC Appian RPA includes robust security features such as role-based access control, ensuring that only authorized users can design, deploy, and manage bots. Audit trails. The platform maintains detailed audit logs of all bot activities, supporting compliance with regulatory requirements. 5. Cross-system integration. API and web services integration. Appian RPA can interact with various systems and applications via APIs, web services, and other integration points, enabling end-to-end automation across diverse technologies. Legacy system compatibility. The platform supports integration with legacy systems, allowing organizations to automate processes that involve older technologies without the need for significant upgrades. 6. AI and machine learning integration. Intelligent automation. Appian RPA can be combined with AI and machine learning models to create intelligent bots that can handle more complex tasks, such as data extraction from unstructured documents, decision-making, and process optimization. 7. Resilience and error handling. Error management. Appian RPA includes robust error handling features, enabling bots to automatically retry tasks, log issues, and alert administrators in case of failures. Self-healing bots. Some bots can self-correct or take alternative actions if they encounter errors, increasing reliability and reducing the need for manual intervention. 8. Human-in-the-loop. Human-bot collaboration. Appian RPA supports human-in-the-loop scenarios where bots can trigger tasks that require human decision-making or intervention, ensuring that complex processes remain under control. 9. Customizable and extensible. Custom scripts and plugins. Users can extend the functionality of Appian RPA bots by incorporating custom scripts, plugins, and integrations tailored to specific business needs. Benefits of using Appian RPA. Appian RPA, robotic process automation, offers several benefits that can enhance business processes by automating repetitive tasks, improving efficiency, and reducing operational costs. Here are some key benefits of using Appian RPA. 1. Seamless integration with Appian platform. Unified automation. Appian RPA is integrated within the Appian low-code automation platform, allowing users to build end-to-end automation solutions that include RPA, workflow automation, AI, and more. Centralized management. All automations, including RPA bots, can be managed and monitored from a single platform, reducing the complexity of handling multiple automation tools. 2. Enhanced productivity. Automating repetitive tasks. By automating mundane and repetitive tasks, Appian RPA frees up human employees to focus on more strategic and value-added activities. 24/7 operation, RPA bots can work around the clock without the need for breaks, leading to increased throughput and faster task completion. 3. Improved accuracy and compliance. Error reduction. Automating tasks with RPA reduces the likelihood of human errors, ensuring higher accuracy in processes such as data entry, report generation, and compliance checks. Regulatory compliance. Appian RPA can be configured to follow specific compliance rules, ensuring that automated processes adhere to regulatory requirements. 4. Scalability. Scalable automation. Appian RPA allows businesses to scale their automation efforts as needed. New bots can be added to handle increased workloads or to automate additional processes without extensive development effort. Elasticity. The platform can dynamically allocate resources based on demand, ensuring efficient use of infrastructure and cost savings. 5. Cost efficiency. Reduced operational costs. By automating tasks that would otherwise require manual intervention, businesses can significantly reduce labor costs. Lower implementation costs. The low-code nature of Appian means that RPA processes can be developed and deployed quickly with minimal coding, reducing the overall cost of implementation. 6. Faster time to market. Rapid development. The integration of RPA within a low-code platform allows for the rapid development and deployment of automation solutions, enabling businesses to respond quickly to market changes. Agility. Businesses can quickly modify or expand RPA processes as business needs evolve, ensuring that automation remains aligned with business objectives. 7. Comprehensive analytics and reporting. Real-time monitoring. Appian RPA provides real-time monitoring and analytics of bot performance, allowing businesses to track the efficiency of their automation processes. Insights and optimization. Detailed reports and dashboards provide insights into process performance, helping businesses to continuously optimize their automation efforts. 8. Enhanced collaboration. Unified environment. The integration of RPA with the Appian platform fosters collaboration between IT and business teams, enabling both to contribute to automation projects effectively. Appian RPA versus traditional automation. Appian RPA, robotic process automation, and traditional automation approaches differ significantly in terms of technology, use cases, and benefits. Here's a comparison of the two. 1. Technology and approach. Appian RPA. Software robots. Appian RPA uses software robots, bots, that mimic human actions to automate tasks across different applications and systems. Low-code platform integration. Appian RPA is integrated into the Appian low-code platform, enabling rapid development, deployment, and management of automated processes. AI and ML capabilities. Appian RPA can integrate AI and machine learning models to handle more complex tasks like decision-making or data analysis. Traditional automation. Rule-based systems. Traditional automation often involves scripting or coding rules into software to automate specific tasks, usually within a single system or application. Custom development. Automation in traditional systems often requires custom coding and development, which can be time-consuming and complex. Limited AI integration. Traditional automation typically lacks built-in AI or ML capabilities unless specifically programmed or integrated through additional tools. 2. Use cases. Appian RPA. Cross-platform automation. Appian RPA excels in automating processes that span multiple systems, including legacy systems, web applications, and cloud services. Complex workflow automation. It is well suited for automating entire business processes from start to finish, using a combination of RPA, workflow automation, and AI. Rapid deployment. Ideal for organizations looking to quickly implement automation across various departments without heavy reliance on IT resources. Traditional automation. Single system focus, often used to automate repetitive tasks within a specific software application, such as data entry or report generation. Specialized tasks. Traditional automation is best for highly specialized or niche processes where deep customization is required. Industry-specific automation, often used in industries with highly specific needs, like manufacturing, where automation might involve physical machines or devices. 3. Flexibility and scalability. Appian RPA. Scalable, easily scales across multiple business units and processes thanks to its low-code environment and integration capabilities. Flexible integration can integrate with a wide range of applications and systems, both modern and legacy, allowing for greater flexibility in automating diverse processes. Continuous improvement. Appian's platform allows for ongoing optimization and updates to automation processes without significant downtime. Traditional automation. Rigid, often more rigid and difficult to scale, particularly if custom code needs to be rewritten or if the automation needs to be applied to new systems. Limited integration. May require significant effort to integrate with newer or different systems, especially those outside the original scope of the automation. Appian RPA Architecture Overview. Appian Robotic Process Automation (RPA) is a feature within the Appian platform designed to automate repetitive and rule-based tasks across various systems. The architecture of Appian RPA integrates with Appian's low-code automation platform to provide a cohesive solution for orchestrating and managing digital workers, bots, alongside human workflows. Here's an overview of the architecture. 1. Appian RPA Components. RPA Console. This is the centralized interface where users can create, configure, monitor, and manage their RPA bots. It integrates with the broader Appian platform and is accessible through a web browser. Digital workers, bots. These are the software robots that perform the automated tasks. They can be scheduled, triggered by events, or run on demand. Bots interact with various systems and applications to execute tasks as defined in their workflows. RPA Server. The RPA Server orchestrates the execution of bots, managing their life cycle, schedules, and coordination. It communicates with the RPA console to receive tasks and send execution results. Bot runners. These are the environments where bots are executed. Bot runners can be deployed on physical or virtual machines and are responsible for executing the bot's instructions. Multiple bot runners can be managed by a single RPA server to scale the automation capabilities. Resource pools. Resource pools manage the availability and allocation of bot runners. They ensure that bots have the necessary computational resources to perform their tasks efficiently. 2. Integration with Appian Platform. Process models. Appian RPA integrates seamlessly with Appian process models, allowing users to trigger RPA bots as part of broader business workflows. This enables a combination of human tasks and automated tasks within the same process. Low-code development. The RPA workflows can be designed using Appian's low-code environment, which allows developers to build automation tasks using visual tools, minimizing the need for extensive coding. APIs and connectors. Appian RPA can interact with external systems through APIs, connectors, and web services, enabling the automation of tasks that involve multiple applications and data sources. 3. Security and compliance. Access control. Role-based access control, RBAC, ensures that only authorized users can create, modify, or execute bots. This includes granular permissions within the RPA console. Audit logs. Appian RPA maintains detailed logs of all bot activities, providing visibility into execution details, outcomes, and any issues encountered. This is crucial for compliance and auditing purposes. Data encryption. Data processed by bots is encrypted both in transit and at rest to ensure the security of sensitive information. 4. Scalability and resilience. Load balancing. The architecture supports load balancing across multiple bot runners, ensuring that tasks are distributed efficiently to avoid bottlenecks and optimize performance. Fault tolerance. In case of failures, the system can reassign tasks to other available bot runners, providing resilience and continuity in the automation processes. Appian RPA use cases in various industries. Appian RPA, Robotic Process Automation, is a versatile tool that can be applied across various industries to automate repetitive, manual tasks, streamline workflows, and enhance efficiency. Here are some industry-specific use cases. 1. Financial services. Loan processing, automating the loan origination process, from application intake to credit checks and document verification, reducing processing time and minimizing errors. Regulatory compliance, automating the generation of compliance reports, ensuring adherence to financial regulations and reducing the risk of penalties. Fraud detection, enhancing fraud detection by automating the monitoring of transactions and flagging suspicious activities for further investigation. 2. Healthcare. Patient scheduling, automating the scheduling of patient appointments, reminders, and follow-ups, improving patient engagement and reducing no-shows. Claims processing, streamlining insurance claims processing by automating data extraction from claims forms, verification, and submission to insurers, speeding up reimbursements. Patient data management, automating the aggregation and updating of patient records across different systems, ensuring accurate and up-to-date information for healthcare providers. 3. Manufacturing. Inventory management, automating inventory tracking, reorder processes, and stock level monitoring, ensuring optimal stock levels and reducing manual errors. Supply chain management, enhancing supply chain efficiency by automating order processing, shipment tracking, and vendor communication, leading to faster deliveries and reduced costs. Quality control, automating the inspection and reporting process in quality control, ensuring consistent standards and faster identification of defects. 4. Retail. Order fulfillment, automating order processing, including inventory checks, payment processing, and shipment coordination, ensuring faster order fulfillment and improved customer satisfaction. Customer service, enhancing customer service by automating responses to common queries, order status updates, and handling returns, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. Price optimization, automating the collection and analysis of competitor pricing data, allowing for dynamic pricing adjustments to remain competitive in the market. 5. Telecommunications. Network monitoring, automating the monitoring of network performance, detecting anomalies, and initiating corrective actions, leading to reduced downtime and improved service reliability. Customer onboarding, streamlining the customer onboarding process by automating account setup, service activation, and customer communication, enhancing the user experience. Billing management, automating the generation, verification, and distribution of bills, reducing errors and improving the accuracy of billing processes. 6. Insurance. Policy administration, automating the end-to-end policy management process, including policy issuance, renewals, and cancellations, reducing administrative overhead. How to implement Appian RPA in your organization. Implementing Appian Robotic Process Automation (RPA) in your organization involves a strategic approach that aligns with your business goals, technical infrastructure, and process automation needs. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you implement Appian RPA effectively. 1. Understand Appian RPA capabilities. Familiarize yourself with Appian RPA. Understand what Appian RPA offers, including task automation, integration with Appian's low-code platform, and how it can help streamline repetitive processes. Identify use cases. Determine which processes in your organization are candidates for automation. Look for repetitive, rule-based tasks that can be automated to improve efficiency and reduce errors. 2. Assess organizational readiness. Evaluate current processes. Conduct a thorough assessment of existing processes to identify inefficiencies and areas where RPA can add value. Infrastructure assessment. Ensure that your IT infrastructure can support the deployment of Appian RPA, including the necessary computing power, network capacity, and security protocols. Change management. Prepare your organization for change by communicating the benefits of RPA to stakeholders and addressing any concerns about job displacement or workflow disruptions. 3. Develop a pilot program. Select a pilot process. Choose a process that is relatively simple but impactful for your pilot program. This will allow you to test Appian RPA in a controlled environment. Design the automation workflow. Use Appian's low-code platform to design the automation workflow. This involves mapping out the steps the RPA bot will take, integrating with existing systems, and defining success criteria. Run the pilot. Deploy the RPA bot in a pilot phase. Monitor its performance and gather data on time savings, error reduction, and overall impact. 4. Analyze and optimize. Evaluate pilot results. Assess the success of the pilot program by comparing the outcomes to the initial goals. Identify areas for improvement. Optimize the workflow. Refine the automation process based on feedback and performance data. This may involve adjusting the bot's logic, improving integration points, or enhancing error handling. 5. Scale the implementation. Expand to other processes. After a successful pilot, gradually expand the RPA implementation to other processes within the organization. Prioritize processes based on impact, complexity, and return on investment. Standardize and document. Create standardized procedures and documentation for developing, deploying, and managing RPA bots. This ensures consistency and reliability across the organization. Training and support. Provide training for employees who will interact with or manage RPA bots. Establish a support structure to address any issues that arise during the scaling process. 6. Monitor and maintain. Continuous monitoring. Implement a monitoring system to track the performance of RPA bots in real time. This includes error tracking, performance metrics, and compliance checks. Regular updates and maintenance. Keep your RPA bots up to date with the latest software versions and ensure they adapt to any changes in the underlying processes or systems. Why choose ProExcellency for Appian RPA online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Appian RPA online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expert instructors. ProExcellency typically employs experienced instructors with in-depth knowledge of Appian RPA, ensuring that you receive high-quality training from professionals who are well-versed in the subject. Comprehensive curriculum. Their courses often cover all essential aspects of Appian RPA, including basic concepts, advanced features, best practices, and real-world applications, which can help you gain a thorough understanding of the platform. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers online training, which provides flexibility for learners to study at their own pace and schedule, making it convenient for working professionals. Hands-on experience. The training usually includes practical exercises and real-time projects, allowing you to apply the concepts learned in a practical environment, which is crucial for mastering RPA tools. Support and resources. ProExcellency often provides ongoing support, access to learning resources, and assistance with queries even after the course completion, ensuring you have the help you need as you implement what you've learned. Certification preparation. They may also prepare you for Appian RPA certification exams, enhancing your credentials and making you more competitive in the job market. Positive reviews and track record. ProExcellency is likely to have a good track record with positive reviews from past students, which is an indicator of the quality and reliability of their training programs. Thank you.